Professional Academy. Whose success our goal.
MCQs number 1. SNGPL stands for Sui Nadran Gas Punjab Limited, Sui Nadran Gas Pakistan Limited, Sui Nadran Gas Pipeline Limited, Sui Nadran Gas Pipeline Lahore. Choose the correct option. Senate of Pakistan comprises of how many members? 1. 50, 2. 63, 3. 87, 4. 104. What will be the correct option? Choose any one. MCQs number 3. The largest railway workshop, Mughalpura, is situated in city Lahore, city Karachi, city Multan, city Gujranwala. Choose the correct option. Only one. MCQs number 4. Identify the official news agency. IPP, APP, PPI, PPA. MCQs number 5. National Code of Pakistan is PAK Pak, PK, PAK Pak 1. None of these. Percentage Kashmir area under the Indian control is only 17%, only 35%, only 48%, only 75%. Which is the national flower of Pakistan? Lily, tulip, jasmine, rose. In which year Pakistan and China joined venture of JF-7 Thunder aircraft started? 1997, 1999, 2000, 2001. Choose the correct option. How many districts are in Sindh? 21 districts, 22 districts, 23 districts, 29 districts. How many districts are in Sindh? Sindh province. First woman pilot in Pakistan was Sadia Malik, Shehzadi Gulfam, Shukriya Khanum. None of these. Which female representative of Pakistan is in the United Nations was Shaista Ikramullah, Najma Najam, Benazir Bhutto, Shamshad Akhtar. Choose anyone.
Professional Academy. Whose success our goal.